In a world not unlike our own, there exists a forest vibrant and full of life. In this forest, two creatures, the hare, known for his speed, and the tortoise, known for his steady pace, coexist. An unexpected challenge arises, a race to the tallest tree. The hare, confident in his quickness, bolts ahead, leaving the tortoise far behind. But haste often leads to carelessness. The hare, so certain of his victory, decides to rest. Meanwhile, the tortoise, slow and steady, continues his journey. He presses on, undeterred by the daunting distance. His determination and persistence lead him past the sleeping hare. In the end, it's the tortoise, the one who moved with consistency and determination, who reaches the tree first. The moral? Speed doesn't always guarantee success. Sometimes it's the steady, persistent effort that leads to victory. Remember, it's not always about how fast you go, but rather how you maintain your pace.